Apart from Script Runner for Jira, I do have a few other favorite apps, and one such app is called as Insight. Now, Insight is an app that you can use for bringing asset and configuration management within Jira. I quite like this app because not only you can do asset management with this particular app, but you can also use Insight for doing contract management. You can also use Insight for doing employee management. In fact, you can use it as a mini CRM. And there are different other applications. You can basically create your own schema with your own objects. So apart from doing configuration management, you can also use Insight Discovery. And Insight Discovery is great if you want Insight to scan your network for new configuration items. Let us say you want to scan your servers. Let us say you want to keep track of your licenses, for example. And you can also do some automation when it comes to using Insight. Let us say if the license of Windows 10 is going to expire in 2 weeks, so you can get a notification on your so basically you can actually create a Jira ticket. So you can do a lot of things with that. And Insight really works well with Jira Service Desk. When you raise a ticket as a customer, let us say your printer is not working, or let us say your keyboard is not working, so you can specify the actual asset that is affected. And Insight has really good integration with Jira, especially Jira Service Desk. Now today I want to talk about the acquisition of the company Mindville by Atlassian and what it means for the customers. Now I was trying to read the notification and the blog post both on Atlassian website and also on Mindville website, and I don't think there will be any change for the customers. If you are already using Insight, you can continue to use Insight as you were using it before. If you want to renew your license, you can do that just like before. If you're a new customer, you can always go to the marketplace. Now it says Atlassian instead of Mindville on the marketplace listing of Insight. But I just wanted to say that I think it is probably a good acquisition because now we can also talk about the asset management and configuration management capabilities that can be included with Jira Service Desk or maybe Jira uh, via an app from Atlassian. And this is all I wanted to share in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new today. Thank you very much.